custom sorting like this in React.js. If I click on this name tab, name is getting sorting. Also, if I click on this age is sorting. Okay, yeah, let's start. So this is my JS file, and here I'm going to write a CSS. So I'm going to get a dummy data from this. Okay, this API. So first I'm going to create a use effect. Also fetch with this API dot then method to get a response. Rest.json to convert this value to JSON, and again then here we'll get data. Okay, so if I console this data, we'll get values. So if I go to console, if I reload, see we got a response. Inside users we got these data. Okay, I'm going to use this. Okay, users. So first I'll just add a empty bracket, so it need to render only one time when the page is load. Also I'm going to create one state to get a data. Okay, otherwise keep that as a state set also use effect useState. It is initially array. So here I'm going to paste this data with this user dot that user. Now we'll get all the values inside this. So here I'm going to create a div and dot map val, and I'm going to create a div to display these values. Div here val dot here, I think first name, where it is, yeah, here first name. Just duplicate this for two more time. Another one is for email. If you want, you can use email, otherwise not necessary. Also age, I'm going to use only these three data. Okay, and if I save this, see we get a data like this. So I want to this in one row. Also I want to add title tags. Okay, so before this we'll just add a div and again div, its name is name. Here this is email and this is age. So now I need to align this everything in row. Okay, so this is class name is called row. Just copying this, just paste here as well and copy that. I already imported this class here, I mean CSS file here. So I'm just directly add a style here, display grid and grid template column, repeat 3 columns with space 1 fr. Save this. See we got a value like this. This is fine. Yep. Now inside this we have a div, so I'll create a border. Okay, I'll just increase this size. So here border 0.1 rem solid, also padding by 0.3 rem. Now this is fine. Also text align center. Save that. Yep, this is fine. This is good. So I'll just create a class here, title, copy that and paste here. For that background, call row dot title TLE, and here background color will be gray. So now everything is fine. Now if I click this, we need to sort. Okay, so I'm going to do the functionality. So here on click, sorry, and handle sort, this is name. Just copy the same thing, just copy until this, and if I click this title, I mean age, it should sort age. Okay, save this. Now we'll just create a function for this, const that value will get type in the sense this name or age. Okay, so based on that we need to sort. So first I'll do the basic sort. It's like, what is there? Yeah, basic sort in the sense whenever if I click, it will do only one sort. If I click again, it won't sort again. I'll tell you right here. Type, I'll just add a if condition. Type equal to name. Before that, I'll just spread the state. So const list data array and spread that value. Copy that here. Dot sort and a comma b. Here a dot we have first name, right? This is first name only. So copy that. A dot again dot locally compare, and here b dot that value. Now fine. What happened? It's not showing. We'll check and copy that. I'll just do set state with the new listed data. Oh, sorry, I pasted this value here. Okay, sorry for that. Now everything is fine. It is working. So if I click this name, see, this is sorted. If I click again, it won't sort. So for that reason, we need to create one state, and there we need to maintain ascending or descending. Okay, that's what we need to do. So for now, I'll just complete this, and else if type age, same thing, list dot sort a comma b, here a minus b. So again, if I click this, what happened? Yeah, it won't work because it is a dot age, because we are sorting this age, right? Yep, here dot age, again here as well dot age. Now you see, if I click on that, it is sorted. If you didn't see right now 28 is there. If I click on this, it is sorted. Okay, so if I click again, it won't sort. So now I'm going to keep one state for that ascending and descending. Okay, const order set order useState, and I'll just keep an object name, and here ascending as a default value for now, and here age is also ascending. So just copy that here. If first time we did the sort, I mean name sort, I'm going to change this ascending to descending. Okay, so here object, I'm just spreading that state this order, sorry, order comma name is, here I'm going to add a ternary, like copy that order dot this name, because this is for name field, right, is equal to ascending, means we're going to change that as to descending, else ascending. Okay, this is fine. Same thing for here as well, and here instead of that name we need to change that to age here as well, and I'm going to change this to, this is the main place to sort, right? So what I'm going to do, just copy this condition. We can do this by just duplicate this for multiple times, but I don't want to do that. So what I'm going to do, just add a break, sorry, here I just add a bracket. If ascending is there, it need to be A, else it is B. Same thing here as well, bracket, ascending means B, else A. This is fine, right? So same thing here as well, bracket, ascending means A, else B. So instead of this we need to change that to age. So here as well, B means else A. So this is age. Save this. Now if I reload, right now E is there, it is sorted. If I click again, yeah, it is descending, kind of thing, right? So same here too. Right now it is 32, sorted, 22, again, yeah, ascending and descending. This is how you can do sorting. Okay, also you can do like, this is like little hard to understand, but I'll add a easy way here. So previously we have like this. So here we have and just remove this here as well. So this is what our normal code without adding sort. Okay, so if we check this order, means just copy that, and here if it is ascending, then we'll do this, else I just copied this and paste that again. Here instead of this we need to add a B, and here A. If I comment this line, it should work. Save this. What's the what is this? Oh, order, sorry. Fine then. Yep, I modified this name, right? So if I click this, see, sorted. If I click again, it will work. So I added easy way, I didn't repeat this for multiple times. This is how you can create a custom sorting in React.js. Yeah, this is what I tried to tell in this video. I think this video will help you. Bye bye.